For today's review, we have the AuxBEam F16 H11 headlight for most cars and trucks that have the H11 connector. These bulbs are 3,000 lumens each. However, be careful, the box says 6,000 lumens because they're including everything in the box. These are 30 watt for each bulb, and they have a color temperature of 6,000 Kelvin, so it's fairly white. Now, in comparison to a normal headlight bulb, they're usually around 3,000, so it is significantly whiter. However, the lumens, most bulbs are 2,800 lumens, whereas these are 3,000, so they're not noticeably brighter. However, the color actually makes it easier to see definition, so they do help in that sense. They come with a 1-year warranty, and they have Cree chips to monitor the headlights and keep them running. They also have active cooling with fans on the back of them. They seem pretty good, pretty sturdy, pretty straightforward. The only thing I will caution is they do stick out from the back of the headlamp a good 1.5 inches, so make sure you actually have clearance before attempting to put them in. On my 2015 Honda Odyssey, it was a simple matter of unhooking them and hooking them right back in. I had to do no disassembly of the headlights like some. So all in all, I would say that these are good headlights. As you can see from the picture here, the original headlights on the left, the AuxBeam on the right, you can see noticeably better definition, but you can't actually see it as much brighter. So overall, I would say that these are, I'd say a 7 out of 10. I give them 7 out of 10 as LED bulbs are still hit and miss. The 1-year warranty is nice, and the 50,000 hours of supposed lifespan is good, but I'll believe it when I see it. These are part of the daytime running lamp system on the Honda Odyssey, so they're always on, so we'll know if they fail pretty quickly. That is our review of the AuxBEam F16 H11 car and truck LED headlight. If you found this review helpful, please go ahead and give us a like. If you didn't, please leave me a comment down below so I can improve. I appreciate your time today and have a great day.